berries in front of me and croissants, and I'm talking about the glasses, so I can't partake in all of this. How cute are these? Aren't these darling? They're from Temp-tations. You know, but if I drank the entire Bloody Mary, you could see the entire glass, so maybe that's what I should do. These are brand new today. They are special for this season. What you're getting is 2 wine glasses, 2 cork lids with the figural toppers. So they're over here. Look at how cute they are. It's like a 3-fer because you get the glass, then you get this little coaster thing, and then you get the little wine topper as well. They're darling. So the options are nautical over here, which has like the crabs and the seahorses. Those are cute. That's totally me. These are glass, by the way. Glass, aren't they great? This one over here is patriotic, and then this one right here is your palm. Cheers. Set of 2 of these with me right now is Lisa Lasorte, Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for Temp-tations. Hello, darling.
I think we designed these for you, my friend.
I think we did too.
Saying. No, I know. And yes, you're right. These are glass, and at Temp-tations, Kerstin, as you know, we've been presenting beautiful hand-painted stonewares and accessories for over 19 years at QVC, but glass is the newest addition to our line, and it's just perfect for the summertime, for the warmer climates, and each pattern tells a story. So we have the palm, we have the nautical, we have the patriotic, and we only bring these patterns to you at this time of the year, but here's where the magical transformation happens. You get a 16-ounce glass, wine glass, beautiful hand-painted detail on the outside. What's the top? Well, here, check this out. It actually comes apart so that cork is now your coaster for either your wine glass or for your wine bottle. Huh. Isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
Or, Kerstin, check this out. It can lid this so no bugs.
I like the lid.
And then you actually get a wine topper that's going to fit right into your wine bottle. So it's great for you. It's a great gift, but it is a summer must-have.
It is, and it just makes things fun. I know a lot of you are getting out there and you're traveling, but a lot of you are going to stay home and have the best summer of your life in your own home. And how pretty are these going to be? Look at the details. I mean, truly, everything is so well done, from the umbrella to the little citrus wedge, to the coconut, to the orange on the inside of the coconut. All of this is so, so well done, and we take it all the way down to the detailing in the glass. This is that palm. You see the palm there, and this has the little flip-flops. This one over here is patriotic. This is fantastic, with the star and the hat and all of the red, white, and blue. And then, of course, my favorite has to be the nautical, with the crab up here, and then this is your little seahorse with your anchors. Just so, so fun. What a summer must-have, Lisa.
Yeah, absolutely. And Kerstin, I'm so excited because we're allowed to have people over again. Yeah. My family's coming over this weekend, and now I feel like I have to up my game. I want everything perfect outside, right? Like, you're going to come over, I want it to look like a showroom. What I love about this is you get that really high-end look at really an economical price. But what I love about it is, everybody drinks something. So whether it's orange juice in the morning, it's not just for cocktails, right? Put a smoothie in here. Why not have your drinks just be beautiful, and you smile every time you look at it, right?
You really do. Lemonade, we've got great lemonade over here, and actually I am sure that this is available. The pitcher is also available for you. 3 easy payments of $8.33. You get 2, plus you get the little topper, and you can see over here, actually, we have them. You have the little coaster that you can put it on, so right there to protect your table or just to keep it nice. And then there's the wine topper or the wine stopper, or you could do it this way. Well, my bacon won't fit if I do it that way, but you could put the top on top like that. But it's more than just a glass for 12 bucks. You're getting the glass plus the topper plus the coaster, all of that, and you get it times 2, and you get it from Temp-tations. And this is a brand that you are so in love with. We are too here at QVC. Just such great, great, great quality in what you do, Lisa.
Oh, thank you. We're so proud of that, from all of our hand painting to having our patterns match back. And you know what we're really known for is that magical transformation. And what do I mean by that? I mean by taking something like a wine glass, adding a cork topper there on both sides so that, again, you can top your glass, you can use it as a coaster, and of course you have that wine bottle stopper, which we all need. But it does more than one thing, so it becomes an essential piece in your summertime entertaining. But look how pretty it looks when it's filled. It's beautiful.
It really is. They're so pretty. What a colorful drink that is, too. Here's your options. This is nautical. This one, there's nautical. This one over here is your patriotic. And this right here is palm. Get 2 sets. 30-day love it or return it guarantee. You know, this is special for summer, right? I mean, this is not something that we're going to have like, you know, in December. So you're going to want to pick this up as soon as you can. Lisa, great to see you. Mwah. Happy summer.
Bye, Kerstin.
I had a dream to dive into pure